Have a look at this. Robinhood IPO just happened, but now Robinhood is tradable on Currency.com. And since it was listing, price did shoot up over 100%, about 150%. And since that peak at about $85, we did have a major correction down about 40%. Robinhood is now trading a little bit closer to reality at about $51, but now it is looking at a healthier level, potentially a gap fill before we get some more increased volatility, as investors will be more interested in investing in this growing platform. But here we go with our very first analysis, having a look at it. Hey, what's up and welcome to the channel. My name is John, @RealJohnDoe is my Twitter. For all the subscribers, good to see you back again. For this video, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna talk about Robinhood. The IPO just happened, and as well, it is now listed on Currency.com where you can trade the tokenized stock. So this will be the first IPO analysis that we have done here on the channel. So it's good to have you watching and as well part of it. Of course, we will cover what we usually talk about, and that is the sentiment right now on Currency.com, how many buyers and sellers there are, important price levels in the short term to look at, what's happening with the news, and then we'll give you guys our analysis for Robinhood right now, a bullish scenario and a bearish. And just like every other video, let's waste no more time and let's jump right into it. And those of you who are new to Currency.com, if this video is helpful to you and you want to be part of our growing community of about 22,000 subscribers, make sure you also hit that subscribe button, because we're going to continue doing our part, giving you guys more and more videos. And if you want to show even more love to the channel, everybody watching right now, just take 2 seconds and hit that thumbs up button and like this video. And Currency.com is the only platform where you can trade Robinhood stock and even thousands of other stocks as well as crypto all together in one. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, you can find my Twitter here. Just search @RealJohnDoe on Twitter. And you can stay up to date as well to what is coming here on Currency's platform, and also as well what we do have coming to the channel. Now in the short term, I have some price levels to keep an eye on for Robinhood. The first support level towards the downside, we got 49.90. After that, the next level right around 46.50. And then the last support level, I'm looking at $40. That to hold, or Robinhood will start heading right back down to that IPO initial price. But if we do get a push to the upside, next level 52.40. If that breaks, we got $55. And then the last level that will bring us up towards those August highs is $57 for Robinhood. And moving on to the video, what we're going to talk about first is the buyers and sellers right now. On Currency.com, it shows 81% buyers, 19% sellers. Price is sitting at a major support down here at about $51. And as you can see, Robinhood stock is fully tradable on Currency.com, all with leverage since the end of July when that IPO just happened and price shot up more than 100%. And I did notice this IPO performed better than the usual ones that do happen, because Robinhood does have a big customer base and a growing use case with more and more people trading. And a lot of investors were waiting for this IPO, but there are more reasons why Robinhood is a good investment right now. Let's talk about those. The first one here, Robinhood has a skyrocketing user base. Right now, there's about 17.7 million active users per month, and that number is expected to grow. And Robinhood also has a potential to expand international. Right now, it only operates in the US, but as more and more users are coming to the platform and more regulations happen, then Robinhood can start expanding to other countries and continue growing that user base. And this right here is a little bit competitive with Currency.com, is integration with other asset classes. And if you do trade on Robinhood, right now it's mostly stocks and options, but the company is looking to expand more into crypto and commodities as well. But just to let you guys know, everything plus more that you can do on Robinhood, you can do on Currency.com. Currency.com is the first platform in the world where you can trade tokenized stocks, you can trade crypto, all with leverage, all in one on one platform. And let's jump in here into the platform and talk about this price action for Robinhood right now. In the short term, what I'm looking for, it does look like there is a gap just down here. Right above $48. The price did test that gap where it just barely touched $49. It did get a bounce up from there. It looks like it is moving sideways now, but one good thing is for the people who are looking to buy the dip down in this lower range down here in this $30 range, we do have price trading below the 50 and the 21 period moving average on this 1 hour chart. So in the short term, we could look for another test towards this IPO entry price, could even get a double bottom and then a major run up towards the upside. But keep in mind, you can expect a lot of volatility from this stock because there are a lot of meme traders in here from everything that's happened in 2021. GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, and as well Dogecoin. So a lot of those traders will also be looking for something like a short squeeze event to happen with this Robinhood stock. So I won't be surprised if this does head down towards this $30 range, but as well also bounces right back up and breaches somewhere around $100. It's still too early to tell right now since it just had its IPO. The price still has quite a bit of room to go until it finds out the more reality price where the buyers and sellers are a little bit more balanced, and then we'll look for a major push either up or a major push down. And there's not too much chart data right now on Currency.com since the listing. We just have this major run up and then this correction. But if we also look at the RSI, right now I am looking at the 1 hour chart, and as you can see, it was overbought. Now it's trading below 50 on that 1 hour time frame, and it did test oversold. So we can look for a potential continuation towards that 30 level once again, which would line up with that gap fill that I'm expecting to happen at about $48. And if we get that, then that's where I would be looking at a buy to dip opportunity towards a push towards this $60 range. Or if you're even more patient, you could even wait for another entry in that $30 range, closer to the IPO price. But I'm going to keep an eye on Robinhood. Even here on the daily chart, you can see not too much chart data. Price did have that massive run up, but now a correction, and I'm expecting to see it fill that gap, continue to trade sideways, and then I'm looking for more of a main event to happen later on in the year that would push Robinhood right back up towards this all-time high and even further than that. And that could line up with another push for crypto as well. But make sure you do stay tuned to the channel and you do follow up on more of our crypto analysis, and we'll see how price does move from Robinhood and as well as crypto or even Dogecoin, since there are a lot of traders on Robinhood who also trade those meme stocks and cryptos. That's all for this analysis and update on what's happening with Robinhood. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope if you are using Currency.com, you can find Robinhood right there, right where it's tradable. And it's actually kind of better than other platforms because it won't get halted and you're able to buy and sell whenever you wish. While the market is open. If you did find this video helpful, make sure you do hit that thumbs up button and like this video. So all you got to do is continue showing support to the channel, and even hope to see you back again in the next one. Thanks for tuning in with me, John, here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.